It felt like a waste of calories. Honestly, I would rather have a piece of cheesecake than finish this thing up. So that's just me though. Hi, my name is Lauren O'Connell and my videos help you to stylize your perfect skincare wardrobe. And I just want to say a very happy new year to you. And here's to hoping that 2021 is a heck of a lot better than 2020. You might notice that my background looks a little bit different, and that's because I have recently moved, actually 1 month ago to the day. I was living in a tower in downtown Dubai for 12 years, and now I'm in a villa in a very high vibe type of community, lots of greenery, fresh air, lot more space for my family and I, and it's been an adjustment, but a great adjustment. So I'm going to do lots of fun filming in different locations all around the house now and kind of show you, I guess, a different side of Dubai, the suburbs. And some of my girlfriends are acting like I may as well have moved halfway across the planet. It's 10 miles, but here in Dubai, I don't know, 10 miles is a lot. Anyways, I wanted to do my first video of the year with a collagen supplement update. And that's because I am getting so many questions on Instagram and YouTube about the collagen. So as you know, I did the Athern collagen supplement. I have a video, I'll link it right here. And that was a month-long program and it worked wonders for me. I mean, it was unbelievable. The results are on that video. And I remember what I noticed when I took that supplement was the way my skin felt. And I'm 38 now, but when I was maybe about week 3 of that supplement, I couldn't believe just how firm my skin felt. And that was during the summertime, so I was in a bikini a lot at the pools with the kids. We stayed here over the summer. And I just couldn't believe how nice my skin looked, felt, and even my lips. One of my girlfriends messaged me and she said, "Did you get lip fillers?" And I said, "No." And it was because everything was just plumped up. The issue with the Athern is, number one, it comes from the UK. It's hard to get it over here. It's also very, very expensive. So people said to me, you know, okay, you've had great results with this, but can you try to find us something that's a little bit more cheaply priced? And trust me, I'm all about that. So I started looking for different supplements. I first took the Vital Proteins and I had 1 jar of it, went through it, could not replace it in a reasonable amount of time. So I wanted to find something that was available in Dubai and the US and the UK and everywhere else, something that was just easily available to everyone. So I got the NeoCell. And I took this for a good 6 or 7 weeks. I gotta be honest with you, there was no change whatsoever. There was no improvement to my skin. And you can see with these before and afters, I kind of just looked the same. So it really just didn't work for me. I haven't finished it, and that's because I got fed up with just not having any results but constantly taking it, and it felt like a waste of calories to me. At the end of this month, hopefully, as long as, you know, everything stays or gets better, hopefully, but I'm doing a masterclass with a TV presenter who is he's a teacher and he's just trained all of the greats in the world. And I have a 2-day masterclass with him, and I just want to be in my best possible form. So there's no point in me taking this if it's not working. So I have to say NeoCell, terrible, didn't work. It was expensive too, 325 dirhams for this tub of it, which 365 dirhams is equivalent to $100 US. So pricey, didn't really work. So what I've decided to do is to go back on the Vital Proteins. I bought this from the US. I've bought 2 of them and had them shipped over. From now on, I guess I'll have to just buy it ahead of time in advance just to make sure I get it, so I don't have a sort of lapse in taking the collagen. This one has 70 calories. I am counting calories right now. I'm trying to shed 10 pounds. But it has 15 grams of collagen peptides and 120 milligrams of hyaluronic acid. This one had 20 grams of collagen, so you would assume it would be better, 30 milligrams of hyaluronic acid. Maybe that was the difference. I'm going to do more research into the ingredients labels, and I will post that in my next video detailing what my experience has been like with this. I'm going to upload it at the end of February to give me a full 2 months to properly just review it and to hopefully, I'm hoping it's gonna work. I do know Jennifer Aniston is promoting this one right now. To be honest with you, whenever a celebrity promotes something that kind of makes me not want to buy the product, it has a reverse effect on me. And I think that's just because I feel like the product is somehow selling out. I don't know. But I am a fan of Jennifer Aniston, and trust me, when the whole Jen versus Brad thing happened, I was totally team Jen. Although Brad is, you know, he is Brad. But all that aside, I just want to try this out because I know this is a popular one. Lots of people ask me about Vital Proteins. So I will let you know at the end of February whether or not it worked for me. And in the meantime, if you are interested in that Athern one that I took and had amazing results with, check out that video right here and you can see what all the fuss is about.